This is Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. This is the junior suite on deck 11. Room number is 11142. This is a great setup with the ocean view and a balcony. Let's take a look at it. One thing to be aware of, if you have any hangers in the closet that are not being used, they will make sounds during the night. So make sure you either use all the hangers or store the ones that you're not using. There's a lot of great storage in here with all these drawers, the shelves, the hanging closet, and the desk area. This makes for a lot of great storage for this room. This couch does fold out to be a queen-size bed, so this room could easily sleep 4 people comfortably. This room has an impressive amount of USB charging outlets.